We're here today at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Piqua, Ohio. Got a 2018 Ram 1500. Stock number is 28239T. This is in a walnut brown. It's a new color. It's called RV Match Walnut. Matches a lot of the RV color schemes. Does have front park assist, high intensity headlamps, fog lights, 20-inch chrome clad wheels. Chrome clad is a plastic over a chrome wheel. They are 20 inches. Is equipped with the 5.7 Hemi. This is a crew cab. It's got the rear backup camera, rear park assist. Has the trailer tow package with the 7 and 4 pin hitch, and you got the dual exhaust, locking tailgate. Does have LED lights on the side of the beds that are very handy. Is a bighorn model. Taking a look here at the inside, it's equipped with the cloth seats, fixed bucket seats with the center console, 8.4 touchscreen radio. It's got the heated seats and wheel groups. So you've got the steering wheel is heated as well as the seats. Got an 8-speed automatic transmission with the 5.7 V8 engine. Chrome body side molding. I'm going to step up inside and give us a little better view of the dash area. Here's a 4-wheel drive system. Got controls for your audio on the back of your steering wheel, cruise control, information center on the center stack. Of course, your 8.4 radio gives you a lot of information about the vehicle also. Dual glove boxes, power sliding rear window. Of course, power light or power windows and power mirrors. Flat fold down floor. Got storage underneath that area. Also on your crew cabs, you've got a storage compartment here under the mats. This tray does pull out. Put it back in. Store some items in there. Got plenty of leg room in the back of this. Got a center console that folds down with 2 cup holders. And once again, this is a Ram 1500 4x4 with the Hemi 5.7. 2018 model, Bighorn, located here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in Piqua, Ohio. For more information, give Steve a call at 800-678-4188.